Hey, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com, and today we're going to be adding an electric fireplace and new ceiling fan to our master bedroom. This video is brought to you by my friends at Hunter Fan Company. Before you get started cutting up all that drywall, take measures to contain the dust. You will love yourself for it, because drywall dust is a pain to clean up. Here I'm using my multi-tool with a flush cutting blade to cut through the drywall. With the drywall removed, I can now focus on cutting the studs. The wall that we're cutting into is a non-load bearing wall, so I'm not worried about removing any of these studs and our roof coming down. If you're not sure if you have a load bearing wall in your house that you want to install a fireplace into, make sure to consult an expert. As I'm framing in the opening for our new fireplace, I'm using 2x4s and pocket hole joinery to secure things in place. Now, as you see, there is some electrical involved with this project, so if you're not comfortable working with electricity, hire an electrician. The best part about this fireplace is that it can be installed into a standard 2x4 studded wall, which means we don't have to build a bump out and it can sit flush inside the wall. To install the fireplace, I first needed to take out a couple of internal components, and while this isn't recommended by the manufacturer, I found it to be the easiest way to install the fireplace for our location. Now, as you see, Kathleen is holding a piece of 1/4-inch plywood flush with the front of the fireplace, which is the same thickness as the Shiplap we'll be installing in our next video in this series.
Here's a spot.
The final step for this fireplace is to just install the glass.
Ooh, pretty fire.
With the electric fireplace installed, we are now going to replace our existing ceiling fan. Our current one's been in here for 25 years or so, and it's just time for an upgrade. So we're going with a new model from Hunter's Simple Connect collection. So I know I've already said it, but again, if you're not comfortable working with electricity, have somebody else do this step. While this video isn't intended to be an installation guide on the Romulus ceiling fan, let's just say that these are so much easier to install than any other fan that I've put in before. Did you know that a ceiling fan isn't only for keeping you cool in the summer? It can actually help keep you warmer in the winter as well. By simply reversing the rotation of the blades, it'll pull that warm air down from your ceiling. Make sure to catch parts 2 and 3 of this project, where we show you how to add shiplap to the wall, along with how to make a rustic mantel from dimensional lumber.
Ah, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and until next time, have fun making something.